Hello, yes friend. This is my second video. In first video, I make the prediction for four sign. Now I'm going to make a prediction for more four sign like Leo, Virgo, Libra, and Scorpio. So in first video, our subject was Jupiter transit in Capricorn, and when Jupiter transit in Capricorn, so Jupiter became debilitated. But good thing is there Saturn in Capricorn stay all right. So the it creates the conjunction between Saturn and Jupiter, and that is Neech Bhanga Raj Yoga. So Jupiter is very important planet for our lives. It is related to our happiness in life, education, knowledge, partnership in business, our prosperity, progress, popularity, and relationship. So I would like to inform you what is the position of Jupiter's, because Jupiter will transit on 28th of November 2020. So Jupiter live in this house until 6th of April 2021. Then it will transit in Aquarius sign, and Jupiter became retrograded on 21st of June 2021. Then it will back in Capricorn on 15th of September 2021. It will become directed on 18th of October 2021, and on 21st of November it will transit in Aquarius. So this is the position of Jupiter's. So friend, if you want to know anything, because the main thing is there, we should make the analysis of our horoscopes, position of the planets. So because of this period is a very good period, because of Saturn and Jupiter combination, we says Neech Bhanga Raju. So when you make the analyze the horoscopes, so you can see where your conjunction is created and what result you will get. So astrological analysis is very important for you according to date of birth, time of birth, place of birth. That is very important. Then Mahadasha is there, Nakshatra is there. So friend, now I am going to make a, a prediction about Leo, and that is the fifth sign. For Leo, finance point of view very good. Sources of income will be increased. Better time for success in business. Golden opportunity for fresher to get the jobs, and you can make saving during this period. So this period is very good for your saving, and you can make the good saving during this period. So now I am coming to Virgo. Income will be increase during this period. Your block money will come back to you, and you can spend this time happily and comfortably. Good time to buy house, car, motorbike, vehicles, and very good time for make relation with anybody, because that is good time to make your friend circles or business point of view. You can make very good clients. So that is very good times. So you must get the benefit of these things. Because during this period, your all dream becomes true. So I think you should take the best use of this time until 6th of April 2000, 2020, 2021. So now I am going to make a prediction about Libra. Income will be increased, success in business and jobs. There will be the chances of promotion in jobs, lot of expenses indicated, and that expenses not uselessly. Maybe you will buy your property, maybe you buy your house, maybe you buy your convenience, or maybe you buy the motorbike. So, but that will be your expenses should be in positive. That will be positive invest expenses, not unnecessary. So you will get relief from your old health problems. So friend, now I am going to next Scorpio sign. For Scorpio, success in business and some religious traveling indicated during this period. Avoid conflict with your younger brother and sisters. Control your anger, and if you should avoid your anger. If you are not avoiding, so maybe some argument and some quarrel indicated. And so nowadays you should spend this period with diplomacy, with love, and you will see everything will be better. Otherwise, time will be better for you. So these were the prediction for four sign, and balance four sign I make prediction in my third video. So friend, if you are satisfied with my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channels Diksha Astro Kapoor. You can like, you can share, you can make some comments. Actually, I am providing my services online as well as personally. So if anybody want to contact with me, where now you are looking videos, so down below of these videos, you will see my details are there. You can find my website, you will find my email, you will find my Instagram, you will find my Facebook, and you will find my mobile number. So if you want to make consultation personally, you can contact with me. I will be always here to services. And so friends, this conjunction start from 20th of November 2022, 6th of April 2021. So this conjunction give you better and better result, and you should try your best, do your karma to get the better results. Don't waste your time. Don't be lazy, because we can wait for time, but time cannot wait for us. So friends, effect of this conjunction on different sign is different, but do your effort. But I tell you that time is good or bad, but effort must go on. So, thank you, friends. In my third video, I'm coming with my more four sign, and that is Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. So, if you have any question, you can ask me on comments. I feel very happy to answer your questions. Thank you, friends.